Hello, Tri-Commercial team. It's Jane Turner from Marketing and Brand. Let's explore the power of presentation design. Now, you might ask, why focus on design? For commercial teams like ours, design goes beyond visuals. It translates our message, fortifies client trust, and underscores our professionalism. First on the agenda, fonts. Stick to two, Urbanist for headings and Urbanist regular for the body. They convey our commitment to straightforward, clear communication. The size matter. A 70 pt heading and 30 pt body text ensures our message reaches even the farthest corner of the room. Colors aren't just shades, they speak our brand's language. Embrace Tri's signature colors. Our emblematic blue, complemented by a refined gray, boosts brand recognition and makes our slides memorable. Consistency isn't just a design term, it's our pledge. To clients, consistent slides signify our reliability, meticulousness, and unwavering commitment. The mantra, less is more. A cluttered slide diverts attention. Use bullet points, relevant visuals, and clear diagrams. Directness fosters connection. And our seal of distinction, the Tri logo. It's not just a logo, it's a testament to our drive for innovation and excellence. In a nutshell, clear fonts, strategic sizing, brand-aligned colors, and unwavering consistency. Let's craft presentations that not just narrate but resonate.